Welcome to Bukit Bintang, or as I like to call it, the belly of the beast. This is the craziest part of KL. This is where it's all happening. This is where you're going to end up being if you come to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I'm going to show you what you can expect to see here. So obviously we're waiting to cross the road. There we go. The roads here are really busy and it takes ages to cross. This is definitely not a road that you want to jaywalk on. I know the Malaysians love to jaywalk, but you won't see them jaywalking here. Lots of tourists everywhere here in Bukit Bintang. But we're gonna go, just to give you another perspective here. Look at all the motorbikes. Typical of Southeast Asia. This is the Wallo Hotel. Lot 10 is like a department store. Isetan is from Japan if you're in Japan. Yeah, what's that, man? Do you mind if I record? Yeah? What's that called?
It's like pancakes. I have no idea how it's called, but it's just across the street and they make it.
Okay.
They're supposed to put corn and stuff inside. I was a little bit scared.
Before, right.
I was a bit scared to try with the corn, but you should try it. Definitely get water with it though.
You're a tourist here?
Yeah. I'm doing a visa run.
So how do you find KL? Do you like it here?
Well, it's a little bit different from Paris and especially from Indonesia. It's a little bit more oppressing, I think I would say. It's as hectic, but like everything is super tall. There's a lot of people. It's a very big city, so it feels a little bit stressful, I would say. But besides that, it kind of reminds me of where I'm from. I'm from Paris, which is a really big city with a metro, everything. So everything is very convenient. Yeah. So I would say it's a good mix, but at the same time, in the first days, it was really stressful, I would say.
Yeah, it's definitely stressful in some areas here in Bukit Bintang. I was just telling the viewers that this is where it all happens in Kuala Lumpur. Is there anything that you really like about Kuala Lumpur, if you can name a few?
Yeah, I mean the people was super nice. It's Ramadan right now, so everyone is doing a lot of halal thing, which it's like doing good actions just good action in general. Yeah. And I skate myself, so I was at the skate park, Vans Plaza, which is super nice, and every people I met there was super nice and super welcoming. So yeah, I'd say the people.
Wow. Oh, that sounds great.
The food, obviously. The food, obviously.
Yeah, the food is amazing here. That's definitely one of the best parts of Malaysia. What is it that you don't like about Kuala Lumpur?
I would say it's a bit more expensive than I thought. It's a way bigger one than I thought, and overall, I think I like Indonesia better because everything is a little bit easier to go and come. So, for instance, the Grab you can go on a Grab bike. It's a little bit easier. It's a little bit cheaper. You can drive bikes yourself here. It's a little bit hard to find bikes and to rent bikes and everything. But besides that, I think it's, as I said, it's a really good mix between big cities and smaller Asian countries.
That's for sure. I was just in Vietnam myself, and you can get a Grab bike there, and things were just so much easier in Vietnam. Have you been to Vietnam?
I've been to Vietnam, yeah. I was in Ho Chi Minh. It was for a visa run, but it was only a few days in Ho Chi Minh. I didn't really like it too much. A little bit too much sex culture and all that stuff that I don't really appreciate.
It's kind of like Thailand as well, isn't it?
It is. But Thailand is... every country is different, to be honest. They have similarities, but it's really different. I think Thailand has a little bit more culture and a little bit more not history, because Vietnam has really strong history and really strong culture as well, but I think it's more present in Thailand with all the temples and stuff compared to Ho Chi Minh.
For sure.
Yeah.
Well, Carl, it's been so nice to talk to you, and I'm sure the viewers will appreciate your take on here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
For sure. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. Have a good time.
That's great, getting someone else's perspective on Kuala Lumpur. It's not just all about me telling you how Kuala Lumpur is, guys. I collaborate with other YouTubers and you get their perspective as well on my channel. So I'm interested in getting lots of different people's perspectives about this place. Let's see what else this place has to offer. So you will see this kind of stuff as well, guys, in Malaysia. I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect to see here. I'm not just going to cut out the not so nice things. It is what it is, guys. This place is not perfect. I do say that on my channel. Kuala Lumpur is an amazing city, but do not come here thinking that it's all perfection, because it's not. That's not to say that I don't like it here. I really love Kuala Lumpur, and you know, wherever you go in the world, you are going to find something that you do not like these freaky Michael Jackson statues. So we're going to walk down this way. So here is Jalan-Alor. This is where Jack and I were back in January when I came back to Malaysia. And we're gonna go down here and we're gonna get some juice. This is Changkat. This is where you get the you know what I mean? That's durian right there. It's, if you can see that, no, probably can't. It's 5:30 p.m. of course, and this place doesn't actually get busy until about 7 or 8 o'clock. But the restaurants are open. If you're coming here for about, say, 5 o'clock, it will be quiet, but you can certainly go into the restaurants and have dinner, and you know, you'll see a lot of tourists here that, you know, you got lots of chocolate fondues, got your marshmallows, and it's such an interesting place to come to. You're gonna love it here. I don't know what that is. Oh, lamb chops. Okay, lamb chops. Hiya. Get your kebabs. Get your crabs. Hello. Wow. Look at that. Chili crab, is it? Chili crab? Yeah, yeah. They cook the crab for you and they can add some chili to it. Chili crab, very famous here in Malaysia and Singapore. And durian stuff. You know what? I've not tried durian yet, guys. Can you believe that? I need to try it, but I'm gonna try it with Jack because I always talk about having it first time with him. He's gonna film me having durian for the first time. Look at that, get your coconut. Yeah, the guy's got a coconut there. Wow, is that a good coconut, yeah? Yeah, you want? No, I'm okay. Octopus. Wow, check that out. You can get anything here, guys. There we go, there's some juice. Oh, you can get Thai mango sticky rice here, that's really popular. Okay, this is something I introduced you to last time actually. Look at this, have you ever seen anything like that? Rose apple, yeah, that's what that's called, rose apple. You just seen that earlier, that's mangosteen. Dragon fruit right there. Look, they're selling bags of mangosteen right there. I'm gonna get, see, they're trying the mangosteen for the first time. It's really good. That's how you open it. Check that out, guys. 美味しいですか? 美味しい。はい、美味しい。ありがとう。OK、ありがとう。うん。わあ、うん、すごい美味しい。いや。いいですか？ビデオ。今日はサイトシーイングですね。はい。明日は
for Thailand.
How about Look at this pomegranate juice they've got here. Fresh pomegranate juice. Hello. Hi. Oh, that fresh pomegranate juice. 20 ringgit. Oh, okay. 20 ringgit. Wow, that's actually quite expensive. Thank you. Get yourself a coconut for 6 ringgit. Wow. If you want to leave the UK or your country and you don't know where to go, come to Southeast Asia, come to Malaysia, or go to Vietnam or Thailand, whatever, just come here and you're absolutely gonna love it. Yes, you're gonna love it, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is where you get all the bars and hello. This is where you get all the bars and the guy's having a cigar there. Classy! But this is your kind of like, you know, Pattaya kind of area, you know what I mean? Happy hour, yeah? Wow. Sangria, wow. You know, you walk down here and, you know, they got all the bars. You know, they've even got an Irish bar. They've got Latin bar. All kinds of bars down here. This is where you come to drink. This is where you come to get ripped off for that pish that you drink. A British kebab shop. Ugh, don't make me throw up. Gravy Baby, that's like a restaurant slash bar. You get a lot of stuff in there, and then it just leads to nothing, guys. So you can be in the belly of the beast, and then 5 minutes later you're here. And let me show you what you'll find in Kuala Lumpur if you just get away from the touristy area. This is what you can really expect to see, guys. This is how it is. I don't want people here. I don't want people coming here getting a fright and all that. That's what you see. So now we're in a very quiet local area, and it's laundry day. You know what I mean? There's just nothing going on down here. And then we go back. We go back, and there you go. There you go. Okay, we'll cross over. We'll cross over. Always a traffic jam on this road. These bars are just full of white guys. I don't have anything against my fellow white man, but I just don't sit about with alcohol, and that's just not what I do. Hello.
Sir.
Well, how much is a pint?
No, sir. Actually, we're not selling pints, sir.
Ah, right,
It's a
okay.
Draft, sir. It's
A draft.
mug.
Local beer,
Yeah.
15 ringgit per mug.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
And it's,
Haha. Thank you, man. Cheers. They're Japanese, definitely. Nihonjin desu ka? Hi. Hi. So nice. Yes, they're Japanese. All right, let's. And I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. Gonna head back to my apartment. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this place before the bats come out. And yeah, man, how you doing? Yeah,
well, how you
good, good. Yeah, what's your name?
Zain.
Zain. Nice to meet you, Zain.
Nice to meet you, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
So you're making a filming here?
Yeah, just filming here, telling people where to go if they want to
You
drink.
can, you can have a look inside first.
Come here, look at this place.
Show you
Really nice.
us. This is KL Bukit Bintang,
Yeah.
and our bar call is Pacific Bar and Restaurants. It's a famous bar in Changkat, so please come one day and drink with us. We have so many promotions from morning to 8 p.m. We have happy hours.
Happy
After
hour.
this, we have another promotion.
So I can be happy for 1 hour?
Of course, and especially Wednesday is Ladies' Night. Today is Ladies' Night.
No, then it's sad hour.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
My channel's my name, Daryl Solis.
Daryl Solis.
Daryl Solis. Check me
Alright,
out.
check.
Yeah, yeah.
Open the YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
I'm from the UK. Yeah, it's a horrible place.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.
Stay healthy.
See ya. Hello. Bye bye. That's what you get, guys. You get just friendly people here. You know, happy to talk to you. Doesn't matter where you're from or whatever. It's all good. Guys, come here to Kuala Lumpur and have yourself a good time.